Here's a snapshot, top, capturing tunnel construction through Bukit Bauk, a key ecological corridor in the East Coast Rail Link, ECRL project, designed to reduce environmental disruption via careful tunneling and elevated tracks. Let's dive into the latest progress and insights. 1. Tunneling progress and engineering highlights. Genting Twin-Bore Tunnel. This critical 16.39-kilometer tunnel, piercing through the Titiwangsa Range, has achieved a successful breakthrough as of July 12, 2025, marking completion of the final major tunneling milestone. Overall tunnel completion. A total of 38 tunnels along the route have been fully excavated, significantly ahead of schedule as of April 8, 2025. Environmental design. The alignment includes approximately 69 kilometers of tunnels, including Kuantan, Paka, Dungan, and a 7-kilometer tunnel near Jalebu Semenia, and over 100 kilometers of elevated viaducts, minimizing impact on ecologically sensitive zones like the Central Forest Spine. 2. Station design and architectural vision. Kota Baru Station. Construction began May 2023. Its architectural design is inspired by Kelantan's traditional Malay house, Rumah Meleh Melayu, and the Elevat5ed, Bunga Ketam Guri. Facilities include elevated platforms, landscaped areas, car parks, drop-off zones, covered walkways, and staff quarters. Network of stations. ECRL will feature 20 stations in total, 14 for passengers only, 5 combined passenger and freight stations, and 1 purely for freight. Integration plans. Gombak will host the integrated terminal, Terminal Bersepadu Gombak, connecting ECRL with LRT-MRT systems. Interchanges. Mentakup, with KTM services, Bangi Kajang, and Putrajaya Central, will serve as integration hubs with ERL, MRT, and KTM networks. 3. Public perspectives and local sentiments. Voices from the ground. Terengganu vendor. Report. It'll give local businesses a leg up by drawing more tourists. Dungan local officials, while generally positive about the economic potential around the ECRL stations, concerns linger about lack of transparency, limited communication, and coordination in the construction process. Online sentiments and commentary concerns over single-track design. Quote, cost-cutting measures meant double tracking was deferred. Delays will be inevitable and will be a frequent issue. Policy on cargo shift. The Transport Ministry plans incentives to encourage industries to shift freight transport from road to rail, seen as a welcome move to reduce highway congestion and improve safety. Design and tech appreciation. Quote, the East Coast Rail Link, ECRL, is the first in Southeast Asia to implement the LTE Railway, LTER communications network powered by 4G. Wheelchair-friendly seating, batik motifs, broader calls for transparency. Organizations like Ideas have critiqued the ECRL and similar megaprojects for limited grassroots engagement, highlighting a need for more transparent planning and community participation. Displacement concerns have emerged in Selangor, where community members were evicted on short notice with minimal compensation, leading to criticism over transparency and fairness. Summary snapshot. Area highlights. Tunneling. 38 tunnels completed. Genting Tunnel breakthrough achieved July 2025. Station design. Culturally inspired Kota Baru Station. 20-station network. Integrated with major transit hubs. Public views. Mixed. Enthusiasm for jobs, tourism benefits. Concerns over delays. Single track. Transparency. Technology design praised. Final thoughts. Engineering efforts are progressing rapidly, with tunneling nearing full completion and station structures taking shape, all infused with local cultural design. Meanwhile, public sentiment is largely hopeful but laced with valid concerns, mostly around execution transparency, infrastructure robustness, single-track limitations, and community engagement. Would you like assistance locating detailed renderings or construction visuals for specific stations, or exploring cross-station integrations with LRT/MRT systems? Just let me know.